Hi again, this is James from World War II Jeep and Rifle. Today I've got a really cool original spare parts bag and contents for a World War II Jeep. Let me walk you through what comes inside. First of all all of this is new old stock, and this is a BF Goodrich fan belt in its original condition. It comes with SCHRADER valve caps and valve cores. It comes with one spare spark plug, and it comes with a cotter pin kit. Both of these, you notice, are wrapped in wax paper. On the electrical side, it's got a lower tail lamp unit assembly and an upper stop lamp unit assembly, along with the tail lamp bulb. This is 6 volt. All of these are 6 volt. It's got a couple of other miscellaneous bulbs for the inside the dash, for example, and blackout bulbs, etc. It's got some friction tape and a roll of wire. I guess you can fix everything with baling wire. Finally, it comes with this great canvas bag. All the parts are stored in that. You toss it into one of the toolboxes in the back of the Jeep. No intention to ever use these spare parts, but I think it's an amazing addition to the vehicle to put it in as original form as possible. If you guys like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, we'll keep showing you more.